sa panahon ng celebration of marriage, na-discover mo na bakla pala yung partner mo.
Oo. Oh, yes. Kailangan ma-discover yan. Ha? Kailangan ma-discover mo yan na bakla yung partner mo. But hindi naman kailangan na kailangan ma-discover mo at the time of marriage. Sabi ng batas, it must be present existence at the time of the celebration of marriage. May isang kaso. 4 years na silang kasal. Tapos, si babae still a virgin. Even after 4 years. Ang tanong dyan, may grounds ba sila for nullity of annulment of marriage? Yes! Bakit virgin pa yung babae after 4 years ng kasal ninyo? Bakit? First, baka bakla.
Tinatago mo that you were convicted of a final judgment of a crime involving moral turpitude. Isa yan. Or, tinatago mo na bakla ka pala, adik ka pala, at the time of the celebration of marriage, tinatago mo yan sa asawa mo. That is a ground na ibig sabihin, niloko mo ang asawa mo.